So what's up guys, this is Raf and welcome back. And for today's video, we'll be doing unboxing of the biggest and the best iPhone currently, which is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And without any further ado, let's unbox it. It's pretty much straightforward. As usual, it includes a braided USB Type-C cable and a SIM ejector tool. We also have here the pill-shaped paper documentations. So let's check the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is much bigger than the previous Pro Max phones, though it still have the same back design with its triple camera lens setup. So this is a black titanium color with the baseline model of 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It looks good and premium. It does have titanium frames like the iPhone's 15 Pro models for added protection, and definitely this phone can survive some drops and it's much tougher than most of the phones in the market. We also have now a new button, although Apple keeps saying it's camera control and not a button, but definitely a button as you can click or press it. Let's remove it. Alright, so let's turn it on and set up this iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's check the language, which is English. Region would be Philippines, then click continue. Then click this, set up later. Then let's connect to the Wi-Fi. So let me just input the password. Let's wait it for it to load. Alright. Then update later, just hit continue. Set up for myself, set up later for Face ID, and then let me just create a passcode. So we will not be migrating apps and files as I wanted to start this iPhone fresh. I'll be logging my Apple ID later and let's continue on the setup. Click continue, click here, click that, click OK, click continue, click here, click that, click continue. So we have here a special screen for action button and the camera control button, which is interesting. It gives you some instruction on how to use this special button. So let's just click continue and we're almost there. And it's been fully set up. First impressions, this iPhone 16 Pro Max is really huge, like almost S24 Ultra level. And the S24 Ultra is really a big phone. I really like how thin its bezels are and how they are symmetry to each other. It does have a 6.9-inch display, which is the biggest in the iPhone history as of the moment. And you will definitely need to use two hands for this phone. So let's go on its performance. It is still fast and fluid and very responsive. Since this is a Pro phone, it does have a Pro Motion display, which is 120Hz. It is powered by their latest Apple A18 Pro chip, which they claim that it will have much higher performance and much better efficiency. And I'm looking forward for it, especially if it will have a great battery life. So I'll be checking as well its new 48MP ultra-wide camera with a larger sensor, and also some of its new improvements on its camera app. The camera control button is a little bit finicky to use so far, and definitely I'll be doing more testing on its cameras. So I'll be using it as my main daily driver and testing its performance, battery, and many other more. So that is my unboxing and first impression of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.